Very good morning. Well, I am Rajneesh. Today I am the lecture number 15. This is the very important topic that comes within the reading writing, and this is important one, especially for the class 8, 9 and the 10. Here the topic is notice. Here the topic is the notice. In any type of the subjective English exam, especially for the class 8, 9 and the 10th, the appearance of this topic is the must during your examination. So, notice is nothing. Notice is nothing. It is simply a part of. It is simply a part of formal letter. Or you can say this is basically an official letter. This is a part of a formal letter and this is a part of an official letter. Here, you have to understand some basic concept. Here, because whenever you write notice, you have something extraordinary. With the capacity, you can write a letter. Here, you see Ajay. Ajay is writing because Ajay is the elected class captain. That's why he is using your school letterhead, SJ school, then after its address is written there. Here, this one is the date. 8 August 2022, and the day is Saturday, to D2. Then after come T for time and second D for the date. Then after come S2. First S for the subject and second S for the salutation. Here, the notice is here that the Red Cross is going to organize the blood donation camp in your school. So that's why you are writing this information to your classmate. Ajay is the writing, and the Ajay roll number is the 94, and he is studying in the class 9th section C. He is passing this information logically with the authority, with the capacity of the class captain to the class 9, especially in the section C. That's why here the dear classmate, it is notified that the Red Cross is going to organize a blood donation camp at details here with. Any type of the program you are going to organize, the three important things comes there. Number one, the venue. Venue means the place where the blood donation camp is going to organize. This is going to organize in an administrative building. What will be the timing? Timing starts sharp 9 a.m. to 12 a.m. and then after what will be the date? You are writing this letter in the 8th of the August, so the date will be of the 18th. 18th 8 2000 means around the 10 days advance. This is that Ajay is giving the information to you. As we all know that the blood donation is not simply a donation of a blood. Blood donation is not simply a donation of a blood, but basically this is a donation of a life. So keeping these things in the view, in your mind, you all are advised to participate in the blood donation camp and make this program hit, HIT, this program hit. Your truly class captain Ajay, roll number and the section. And these all the things come, that is B. And these all the things that is C. If you will add this formula, you will find it. Formula is B2, T, S2 and BC, where the D is date, second D is date, T is timing, first S for subject, second S for salutation, B for body and C for capacity. Because without capacity, if you will write this letter, it is of the no sense. Without capacity, if you are writing this letter, this is of the no sense. In this way, I have completed the notice chapter. So, please go through it and apply this formula D2, T, S2, BC, where the D is for the date, second D for the date, T for the time, first S for the subject, second S for the salutation, B for the body and the C for the See, for the capacity is here the class captain. In this manner, you can write a notice wherever and the wherever it is available. In the meantime, please stay in the home, enjoy your life, and study more and more, and be safe. And thank you very much.